Are the color analysis palettes that rest midway between two seasons. Warm rests between spring and autumn. Cool rests between winter and summer. Bright rests between winter and spring. Muted rests between autumn and summer. Deep is between winter and autumn, and light is between summer and spring. All of the palettes I just went through can be very useful in helping rule out or rule in if somebody is a true color season. Let's take the light palette, for example. Let's say I was having trouble, somebody was difficult to color analyze, I was having trouble to decide between true spring or true summer on that person. I would take the palette between spring and summer, which is light, and look at true spring colors versus the light to see if I like the light colors better because they brought in some summer. So if I like the light colors better than the true spring, that could indicate they're actually true summer. And knowledge on how color palettes integrate and work with each other in terms of undertone value and intensity is really useful to finalize palettes.